How to play Unturned with Friends private server. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Open your Steam first, and then step one, just have to launch your Unturned. So click this launch button here. Now you just have to let this run, okay? But in order to end this one, or once it's done, all you have to do is to type shutdown in order to exit this. But you have to finish this one first, okay? Type shutdown. Now that's a step one. Step two is you just have to go to any web browser and kindly download and install Radmin server. Now, what is this Radmin server? It's a free and simple to use software program for building virtual local networks, and users can use the program to safely connect machines that are protected by firewalls. Even behind firewalls you don't control, Radmin VPN enables you to connect to remote PC, play your favorite LAN games online with your friends. Okay, and there is no player cap with free Radmin VPN. So you just have to create your own network or server and share it with your friends once you play Unturned. Okay, so that's step two. Step three, all you have to do is to click Unturned and then go to Browse Files. And then here, you just have to do some steps and instructions. You have to look for servers and then click Default and then click Server again and then right click Command, open with Notebook. And here you just have to write your name, I mean your service name. If, for example, Ellie server. And then for map, for example, Yukon. And then all you have to do is to save this. Okay, save it anywhere. Okay, and then that's it. Now the next thing to do is to go to your config. And what are you going to do with your config here? So all you have to do is, of course, go to config and adjust any settings as needed, including your server. So once you're satisfied and everything is okay here, all you have to do is to go back to your unturned server and then click unturned. Now that's it. That's how simple it is. You have to run it again and then start playing. Now step four, you can simply play unturned with friends. So using your private server. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.